When preparing a presentation in PowerPoint, many people summarize only the essential content on the slides. However, sometimes what's written there is not enough to clearly explain everything you want to say during your talk. In such cases, using speaker notes can be extremely helpful. In PowerPoint 365, every slide has a notes section located just below the slide area. This notes section allows you to write additional information or key points you want to mention while speaking, but that do not need to appear on the slide itself. This feature is useful to help guide your presentation and ensure you don't forget any important detail. To use this, simply click in the area labeled Notes below each slide and type in your notes. These notes are not visible to your audience during the presentation, but can be seen by the presenter in Presenter View, which supports you in delivering your talk with more confidence and clarity. Another way to access and manage your notes is by going to the View tab on the ribbon. From there, you can select Notes page to see each slide along with its corresponding notes in a dedicated layout. This makes it easier to prepare and review your talking points for each slide. This method works the same for every slide in your presentation. Each slide will have its own unique notes section. You can personalize your notes according to the specific content of each slide, making your presentation more organized and effective. Adding speaker notes is a simple yet powerful way to improve your presentation delivery. It helps you stay on track, avoid forgetting key ideas, and speak more fluently. Mastering this feature can greatly enhance how you communicate during a slideshow.